kids! Let's go on an exciting ride through the alphabet with A to Z vehicles. Every vehicle will tell us who they are and what they do. Are you ready? Buckle up and let's vroom into learning. A is for ambulance. Hi, I'm an ambulance. I rush to help people when they're sick or hurt. I have flashing lights and a loud siren to clear the road. Inside me, doctors can treat patients even before we reach the hospital. B is for bus. Hello there! I'm a big bus, and I carry many people to school, work, and cities. I stop at stations and open my doors wide. Hop in, let's go for a ride together. C, crane. I'm a crane, and I work at construction sites. I lift heavy things like steel and concrete high in the sky. My long arm and hook are super strong and helpful. D, dump truck. Hi, I'm a dump truck. I carry sand, gravel, and dirt. When I reach the site, I lift my back to dump the load. Beep, beep, I'm strong and love to work on building roads. A, excavator. I'm an excavator. I have a big bucket and a long arm. I dig deep holes in the ground and help with construction. My tracks help me move on mud and rocks. F, fire truck. I'm a brave fire truck, ready to fight fires. I carry firefighters, hoses, and ladders. When you hear my siren, I'm on a mission to save the day. G, garbage truck. Hello, I'm the garbage truck who keeps your neighborhood clean. I collect trash and take it far away to be recycled or dumped. Thanks for helping keep the earth tidy. H, helicopter. I fly in the sky with spinning blades. I can land on rooftops and even help rescue people. Whoosh! I go places where cars can't go. Ice cream truck. Yum, yum. I'm the ice cream truck with tasty treats. Kids love my music and colorful looks. Would you like a cone or a popsicle? J, Jeep. I'm a Jeep, tough and ready for off-road fun. I drive on mountains, mud, and rocky paths. Adventure is my middle name. K, kayak. I'm a kayak, a small boat for one or two. You can paddle me in rivers or lakes. Let's glide gently over the water together. L, limousine. I'm a limousine, long and fancy. I carry VIPs to parties and red carpets. With my shiny body and cozy seats, I ride in style. M, motorcycle. I'm a motorcycle, fast and cool. I zoom down the roads with a loud engine sound. Remember, always wear your helmet. N, narrowboat. I'm a narrowboat that floats through canals. I'm slim and long, perfect for narrow water paths. People even live in me sometimes. O, off-road vehicle. I go where regular cars can't go, through dirt, rocks, and mud. I have big tires and a strong engine. Let's explore the wild side. P, police car. I'm a police car with flashing lights and sirens. I help keep everyone safe and chase the bad guys. Don't worry, I'm always here to protect. Q, quad bike. I'm a quad bike with 4 chunky wheels. People ride me for fun and farming. Hold tight and let's ride through bumpy trails. R, rocket. Zoom. I'm a rocket flying to space. I take astronauts to the moon and stars. 3 dots, 2 dots, 1 dot, dot, dot. Blast off. S, submarine. I'm a submarine, and I dive deep under the sea. I explore ocean life and secret places. Even though I'm underwater, I can talk to people above. T, tractor. I'm a tractor and I work on farms. I plow the fields and pull heavy loads. Farmers love me for being strong and steady. U is for unicycle. I'm a unicycle with only 1 wheel. I need balance and practice to ride. Clowns and circus performers love me. V is for van. I'm a van, perfect for families or delivering goods. I'm bigger than a car, but smaller than a truck. I help move things and people safely. W is for wheelbarrow. I'm a small wheelbarrow used in gardens and yards. I carry soil, plants, and tools with just 1 wheel. Push me gently and let's do some gardening. X is for Xray. Then I'm an Xray van, a mobile medical helper. I help doctors take X-rays when hospitals are far. You'll see my tech inside helping people every day. Y is for Yacht. I'm a yacht, big and beautiful on the sea. People sail me for fun and luxury. Let's cruise under the sun with ocean breezes. Z is for Zeppelin. I'm a Zeppelin, a giant airship floating in the sky. Long ago, I carried people and messages through the clouds. I'm slow but peaceful, like a flying balloon. Wow, that was a fun ride with so many vehicles. From A to Z, we met all kinds, from land, sky, and sea. Which one was your favorite? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Bye-bye, little travelers. See you next time.